So fine guys, now let's try to do one more interesting question from LeetCode. And the name of the question is group anagrams. Okay. So this is the title. This is the amazing statement they have given with absolutely no meaning. And this is the expected output. Okay. Guys, the data structure that we will use is definitely hash map. Okay. We have to use hash map as you people told. What is the key? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Guys, now let's start. You know that for anagrams, what is the concept you people use? For anagrams, to check if both strings were anagrams, what was the concept you people were using? Sorting, pakka. Guys, now let's sort each and every string. Let's sort each and every string, guys. What will eat become? AET, yes or no? What will T become? AET, yes or no? What will tan become? ANT, yes or no? What will 8 become? AET, yes or no? What will gnat become? ANT, yes or no? What will bat become? ABT, yes or no? Guys, can you see? Can you see that anagrams are having similar type of sorted things? Guys, in the hash map, the key is nothing but sorted form of the string. What is key, guys? Sorted form of the string. Is it clear? My key will be the sorted form, and my value is the list that will store the actual form of the similar numbers. For example, this one and this one. Sorry, eat, and the next one is this one, 8. Getting my point, guys? Getting my point, guys? Getting my point? So what we will do is first we will sort the string, we will construct the keys, then for the similar key, we will create a list, guys. Is it clear, guys? So shall we start, guys? Shall we start? Guys, now it is very, very interesting. Okay. Shall I do it in Python? Because it is injustice for the Python students if I do it in Java again. Java students, all the best. God bless you all today. Okay. I will type this program in Python now because previous program I typed in Java. So let's keep it fair. Okay. Let's start, guys. Ready? It is very easy. Java students, you can do it. Don't worry. Shall we start? Ready? Guys, the very first thing I need is the hash map. My hash map is a dictionary. Done. Created. My hash map is ready, guys. So shall we start? Now see here. Java students, kindly focus, okay? So now the input is given in strs. I will write for I in strs. Is it clear, guys? For I in strs means access one word from the given group of strings. Is it clear? First time I will get eat. Second time I will get t. Third time I'll get tan. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Anybody got it? Now see here what I will do. Now see what I'll do. I'll create a variable called as temp and I'll give the value of I. Is it okay? I don't want to modify the actual string because I want it to be stored here. If I sort it, the form will change. So I am creating the same copy in temp, guys. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Guys, in Java, we convert the string into character array. This is the same step. I will convert temp into list format. Is it clear? Is it clear? I'll convert the string into list format. Is it clear, guys? Temp was initially a string. Now it becomes list. Then sort it, guys. Arrays dot sort here. Temp dot sort. Is it done, guys? I'm sorting the list. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay, guys? Now, this temp is my key. How many of you understood till now? How many of you understood till now? My key is ready. How many of you understood? First, I am reading one word. I am copying the same word into temp. Then I am breaking the string into mutable list, that is the character array. Then I am sorting the array. Is it clear, guys? Now my key is ready. Now see what I'll do. If this temp is already in keys, that is h dot keys, that means the element key is already there. What I have to do, we'll discuss. Okay. If temp is already in h dot keys, what we will do, we'll discuss. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Else, is it coming for the first time or not? Else, is it coming for first time or not? So what I will do is, I will write h of temp is equals to list only. See here, guys. For every list, there is sublist. Can you see here? For this particular key, I am creating a blank list. For this particular key, I am creating the blank list. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Everybody got it? And now what I will write for this particular thing, that is for h dot temp, you append me the value of I. I'm inserting here. In Python, in Java, you write like this. H dot get of temp dot add of I. Is it clear, Java students? Java students clear? Use h dot get of temp to access the list, and inside that you will add the element. In Python, I am accessing the list called as this one. I am appending the original form of I. Is it clear, Java students? Java students clear? Java students clear? Python. Now see this, guys. If the key is already present, I just have to insert it or not. If the similar key is already present, I just have to insert or not. What I will write? Whatever is the key, I don't care. You just put append of I. Guys, did you understand this simple insertion? Key is generated here. I am sorting the key. If the key is coming for the first time, create a new list, append the list, and keep on adding the elements. If the key is already there, append the element to the similar hash key. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Print. I don't worry how the key looks like. Okay, it doesn't even matter to us. I'll print h. I will return h dot values. It may come wrong. It may come wrong. Don't worry. I'll show it just to show you people. Okay, don't worry. What is the problem? List as a cannot use list as the dictionary key. Okay, guys, 1 second. Guys, after sorting, convert it back into string only. Okay, I forgot it. After sorting, put it back into string. How to put it? Temp is equals to str of temp. Is it clear, guys? Once the sorting is done, right, convert it back into string only, because hash map ka data type is string. You remember? In hash map, the first data type will be string only. Is it clear, guys? So after sorting the list, convert it back into string. That is like this. In Java, you'll write like this. That is what you will write. Arrays dot to string. Is it clear, guys? Arrays dot to string of temp. Is it clear, guys? Java students, clear? We have to convert the sorted list back into string only. Okay, now I have converted the list back into string. Now let's check. No problem. Array R Java Kaline. Okay. Is it my fake account? You don't worry about it, guys. You don't worry about it. Guys, can you see? The key has been created like this, but all the elements are coming together. Can you see here? Eat, T8, all the anagrams are together. Here, tan and ant, all the anagrams are together. Yes or no? And VAT is the anagram that is coming together, guys. Is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? Everybody got it? Now, let me only print h dot values and run it. I'll only print h dot values. Guys, can you see I am getting the dictionary correctly or not, guys? Am I getting the dictionary correctly or not, guys? Am I getting it properly? Guys, am I getting it properly? And can you see it is a nested list also? Can you see it is a nested list also? So see what I will do now. Observe the last step. I will create an answer list. Is it okay, guys? I will create an answer list. Is it okay? See what I am writing. For I in h dot values. That is, every time one list will come here. Yes or no? First time, first pair of list. Second time, second pair of list. What I will do is, answer dot append of I, and I'll return the answer. Is it clear, guys? Every time as a value, one list will come, the same list I'll push it inside. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear for everyone? Understood what I'm saying? Now when I run it, I think the program should pass. Guys, is it working? What is happening is this particular thing is coming in I, getting inserted here. Next time, this particular thing is coming in I, getting inserted here. Next time, this particular list is coming, getting inserted. Now when I submit the code, guys, is it accepted? Order of n complexity only. Order of n complexity only. The only thing is the difference is there. N difference is there. You have to generate the key. Key is the sorted form of the string. All the similar sorted forms are anagrams. Then keep on pushing that element to that particular list. Is it clear? Then finally, access all the list one by one. Append it into the nested list and print it off. Guys, is it clear? Guys, is it clear? Logic is clear. Everybody respond. The logic is clear. Doable. Does it feel like doable? Pakka. You people will try this. I can trust you people. Can you people try this? No, sir. You should explain Java also. If I explain Java, then Python students will feel bad. But let me show you. See, yeah. If you come to solutions, now one person would have written the same. Let's see what language he has chosen. Same to same he has used. Same to same he has used. HashMap. Same, same. Ha. Let's see if anyone has written the similar program. I'll just pass it. Ta, ta, ta. Come on, man. Use simple words. No, beginners will also see. Hmm. Oh my God, they have used advanced things. Guys, you want me to type it in Java? I'll commit suicide now. Do you want me to type it in Java? Or you will try it once? Yes, sir. Just add logic to document. Okay. What is the logic? I'll give this program only. I'll give my program only. You try to translate it into Java. Is it okay? Logic same, logic same. Logic is exactly same. There is no difference in logic. Create a hash map. Hash map will contain a string. Then it will also contain a list of strings. Okay. Sort the string. The sorted string becomes the key. And if that key already exists, list dot append of that element. Clear? If the key doesn't exist, create a new array list, append it, then keep on inserting. Exact same program. Exact same program. Is it clear? Exact same problem. No changes only. You try it. If you can't do it tomorrow in the first session, I will execute it once. Then we will go to the next part. Is it okay? Anybody? Fair enough? You try it. If it works, very good. If it doesn't work, I'll execute it in Java. Is it clear? Do you want me to provide the code for this one? Mm, don't worry, I'll not provide the code. Code ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ. You people are already in advanced. You are already doing advanced hacker rank and all. Why you people want code? You got the logic, right? What is the logic? Sort the string. Sorted string becomes the key. If similar key exists, enter the elements. Enter the strings into that list. Okay. New key, then new array list, create a new list, then append the value of I for the first time. Is it clear, guys? Hash map. I don't want to give the code because if I give the code now, then you people will become lazy. I want you people to do it in hard style. If you don't get it, definitely I'll help you tomorrow. Is it clear? Guys, first of all, do you want class tomorrow? Sunday is also not there, man. Yeah, man. I don't want class tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, no class, guys. No. Tomorrow, even if you tell also, I'll not.